Hello, if you wonder if Apple Watch Series 10 need cellular, then it actually doesn't require cellular connectivity to function. It can actually operate with just a Wi-Fi connection. So yeah, there's like even two versions of the Apple Watch Series 10, the Wi-Fi version and cellular plus Wi-Fi version. And of course, if you have the cellular version, you add a mobile plan right here, so you can like use every function of this device even when you don't have your iPhone next to you. But if you have only the Wi-Fi version, so you will get some limitation, like for example, when you don't take your iPhone with you for running, for cycling for example, then you will be not able to answer to the phone calls, messages. You will be just not connected to the mobile data or the Wi-Fi. Yeah, so that's what I want to explain. That will be all, and thanks for watching.